Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I have an unboxing from Beachly. So I have several videos on Beachly unboxings, and I will leave information about how it actually all works, I think with the coupon code too, down in the description box below. So we're just going to get into the unboxing instead of me blabbing on what exactly this is. You can read it down in the description box. But anyway, I have to say, I really like their boxes. They're very nice, how they come packaged and all. And they're really good use for storage items. I've got some of my beads in there, some of my other craft items. Doll clothes, all kinds of stuff like that in there. And they're nice and sturdy. And, okay, I'm trying to get this thing off here, this little sticker thing. There, got that off. Let's see what we have. Okay. First thing right on top, let me just show you what it looks like here. So here's the box. Whoops. Has a little magazine. We'll get to that in a minute. Hello, sunshine. Let's see what this box, this magazine, this little pamphlet says. Beachly. Usually they just kind of tell a little bit about the things that are in these boxes this month. This is I believe, the winter of 2025. If that's not right, I'll write down here what it is, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And we had several things to choose from in 6 different tiers. And in this box, yes, welcome to the winter box. There we go. It kind of goes through the different choices that you had and what they are exactly. A lot of times they'll have recipes. I don't see any recipes today. Coastal winter rituals, everyday rituals to keep the coast close this winter. Now, I will have to say with Beachly, they kind of gear their stuff to not the warm Caribbean beaches that I'm actually used to. Growing up in Florida, we're always talking, it's almost always warm down on the beach, and if it's not, that only lasts a couple of weeks, because there's a lot of really heavy sweaters and stuff they have in these. I mean, she's wearing sweatpants. I never really wore sweatpants when growing up in Florida. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, the first thing, speaking of sweatpants, I think that's what these are. Let's see. Saltwater Luxe. Ooh, this is nice and soft. Boy, this is going to be really warm. Now, even though I consider myself a Florida girl, I live in Louisiana, northeast Louisiana, so we get a little bit of winter here. Boy, these are really heavy duty. But I got these pants here. Oh, look at this on the side. And it's like a fleece material. We have, is it elastic? It's elastic with drawstring. I did order a large. I usually wear a medium, but I kind of wanted this oversized. Look at the price, as this is saying. $68. I wouldn't pay $68 for these, but they are nice. The bottoms are not, they don't have the elastic in there. Let's see. I wonder how long they're going to be. Oh, they're really long. I have a feeling they're going to be pretty big, but they'll be good for lounging around the house. I think that's what she's got on here. Now the next thing is, if I remember correctly, I actually got the top too. I mean, why not? See what we have here. Follow the sunshine. Yeah, and it's a crop top. Oh, I like the back. I love that. And then in the front, follow the sunshine. Woo! Size medium I got. 78 bucks. And it is oversized. And I think it's supposed to be kind of like a crop top. It's not very long. And I will probably wear the heck out of this. All right, what else do we have here? Well, I like this bag. This will be nice to put some of my doll stuff in. Oh, look at that. A comb. So, this time last year, I was starting a journey. Actually, I think it was in December of 2024. I was starting a journey of curly hair, which when my hair is wet, it is pretty wavy. But when it dries like this. This isn't totally straight, but the curly hair method, this comb would be perfect for that. I really like that comb, and I love the color. It's kind of a seafoam green. Okay, what else do we have here? So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So in tier 1, these are the things we could have gotten. The sweatpants or the sweat top. Let's see, we have a bracelet, some type of a little throw there, another bracelet, which I actually have this bracelet. I got this on a cruise one time. I can't remember which port it was. And then we have sunglasses, which obviously I have to wear prescription glasses, so that's not going to work. And then another scarf, which I don't use scarves. And then that looks like a wine bottle opener, which I don't drink, so didn't need that. But as far as the sweatpants go, it says bring laid back beach vibes to your everyday life with these wide leg sweatpants made for lounging, strolling, or catching sunsets. They feature a relaxed fit with an easy stretch waistband for all day comfort. The coastal graphic, complete with palm, sun, and waves, adds a splash of seaside style that keeps the ocean close no matter where you are. And then the top, they're calling it the Blue Fog sweatshirt. Those are Blue Fog sweatpants. It says bring the beach vibes with you wherever you go in this effortless, cool, and cozy sweatshirt, featuring a dreamy ocean-inspired graphic with a golden sun and palm tree. It's your perfect blend of comfort and coastal. The soft navy fabric and relaxed fit keep you comfortable for breezy boardwalk strolls, late-night bonfires, or just lounging with seaside dreams. And I'll have to say, at night it can get a little cool on the beach, even in Florida, and this would be good to wear. All right, so, and the comb. Which tier was that? Let's see. So I actually don't remember what tier it was. In addition to what they're showing here, sometimes they will have things that were maybe left over from another seasonal box. And if I remember correctly, this was one of them. So I'm not probably going to find it in this catalog. But let's go ahead and move on to this. We have poolside tall tumblers. Now I think last time I got some glass tumblers, and I have not used them. I'm actually putting them away because I may have opportunity to use them in the near future, and I won't get into details on that because I'll talk about it if and when it happens, which I think it is going to happen, but I'm not going to spill the beans yet. Anyway, these, let's see, they're just little plastic tumblers. I think they're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic. There's 4 of them. So we have a green one, a blue one, a yellow one. See, the yellow one has a sun. Well, maybe I'll open it. I didn't want to. Oh, here we go. There's the picture. I got those. Okay, here we go. Set of 4 mixed colors, 10 ounces, BPA free, food safe, hand wash only. So don't put them in the dishwasher. The Rio Sun Poolside Tall Tumbler set of 4 is vibrant, sun-loving, and ready to entertain. Refresh your style and taste the spirit of summer. All right, and they are saying that that's a $30 value. Designed with style, strength, and durability in mind, the set of 4 can be on the go with you and serve up your favorite tropical drinks. Made from water-resistant polystyrene. Just add ice, pour over your beverage and choice. Refresh your style and taste buds with the sun print that will have you radiating the carefree spirit of summer. Okay, so the next thing is one of these. And again, I think this is something that was in another box, which I have some of these and I really like them. Therefore, to put like, you could put your sandwich in, chips, whatever. But also, you can put, like, if I wanted to put, say, hair bows and stuff for the kids when we're traveling, or even, I just thought of one, food, you put your little chips and stuff in there and throw it in your bag, and you can have a travel snack instead of having a whole bag of chips open on your lap. Because, well, you know what happens if you got the whole bag of chips on your lap. At least for me, you eat too many. Something else too, I could put doll clothes in there. You know what? There's a lot of different things I can use that for. Now, the last thing, I think I got jewelry, which I don't normally get jewelry. Oh, this is nice. This has a really nice feel. It's from Celestial Soul. It's just a stretch bracelet. It's got a freshwater pearl and some gold beads on there. And it's got a little charm. I think the charm is from the company. Let's see what it says about this bracelet. Number 4. Billy Pearl Gold Bracelet. $32 value. Sometimes I wonder about that. Bring a touch of the ocean to your wrist. This delicate 4mm bracelet features shimmering I'm thinking that means 3mm. Freshwater pearls set. Okay, 14 karat gold filled stainless steel. Hypoallergenic, water resistant. It's perfect for sun, sand, sea. Wear it from beach walks to sunset cocktails in effortless coastal style. I do like this. Supposedly, I could wear this on the beach, in the pool, in the shower. I'll have to say, I'm a little leery because it is a stretch bracelet. And when stretch bracelets break, do you know what happens to all the beads? They go everywhere. I may, not right now, but later on down the line, restring this on one of my waterproof cordings that I have. And it will be a lot like this one. But if it breaks, I'm not going to have beads everywhere. And actually, these don't break like these stretch bracelets do. But I do like this bracelet. It's very comfortable. All right. That is it for the unboxing this time around. Winter 2025. I will have to say this box came pretty fast once it was actually mailed. So today, I got it today, which is October 24th. And it was mailed 2 days ago. I got notification that it went out in the mail 2 days ago. I got a notification yesterday that it was on its way. This morning, I got a notification, and this is all by email, got a notification that it was out for delivery. And then I did get a text notification that it was actually delivered at my front door by FedEx. It was pretty fast, like I said, once I got notification that it was sent out. Now, before that, I picked my choices back September, I believe it was the 29th. So we're talking almost a whole month before they got it out. That was kind of a long time. I don't know why that is, but it's like once you pick your stuff, you're so excited to get it, and then it takes forever for them to mail it. But at least once it's mailed, it is in your hands pretty quick. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and let me know, do you get Beachly? And what do you think about it? Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.